As for today, oatmeal. Hmm. Hindi ako nag-sponsor ng oatmeal. Oatmeal is my favorite. Tapos, kape. Yan lang. Oatmeal and coffee. Okay na ako. Ready to go. Ready to mingle. Comment below kung Flor de Lisa. Comment below kung ano masasabi niyo sa breakfast niyo. Ako, ang breakfast ko kasi it's oatmeal. Yeah. Everyday ka lang. Yan, nag-oatmeal kayo. You know, cause somebody didn't like oatmeal. But, oatmeal and coffee. Go na ako. Ang sarap ng coffee, oatmeal, go. Anyang kakalimutan lang ng oatmeal, ha? Kasi, that's the best time na kumain kayo ng oatmeal. Dahil ang oatmeal, pampaganda ng digestion, ng metabolism, pampapayat, everything. Kasi parang kanin na rin to eh. Parang not saying na umaga tanghali nyo gawin. Umaga lang breakfast at pag nasa mood pa kayo, tanghali. Iswiin nyo na lang yung tanghali nyo. Pag nasa office, oatmeal lang yung just a couple hot water and oatmeal. Masarap siya. Sa digestion ng tiyan nyo. Kahit na hindi na kayo umalis ng office. Ito na lang. Sarap. Because always, oatmeal is the best thing that Kahit nagbibiyahe kayo, oatmeal ang baunin nyo. Ang sarap. Hot water lang, oatmeal. Okay na ako. And a cup of coffee. Bye-bye. See you.